Hello Python lovers. So till now what we have learned, we have learned about variables, we have learned about what are strings, what are different data types. So today we are going to learn about a very important data structure, that is list. And you will ask me why we are going to learn about list. So list is a very important data structure as it can store very different types of data, and we can also access that data by using indexes. So it's not just that, there are so many more things with the list. So to know about list more, let's get into our screen. So you will be, how do you like my wall painting, guys? Haters will say this is fake, but don't worry about haters. This is true that Python on the background is very real, as you can see. So let's start with the video, guys. So that being said, now we are here in our screen, and as you can see right now I am in a VS Code, and I have also code for our previous 3 videos that we have shooted. The first one was the variable, second one was the data type, third one was the strings. So similar, list also is a array object, so it's similar. We can also do indexing, we can also do slicing in the list. All of that and much more we are going to see in the list. So let's start with a list. What is a list? How it is written? Just like we write for writing string, what we use, we take one variable, we write equal to sign, after that we give double quotes. Okay, just a minute. We give double quotes and then we write whatever string we want to write in that double quote, and then the data type of x is going to be a string. So similar to that, we are going to create a list called as a my list, and to create a list we are going to enclose that inside a 2 square brackets, and we are going to add elements in that. To make it sure that, guys, you are going to separate each element with a comma. So we have to make sure that we are going to add comma after each element. As you can see, autocomplete is suggesting me to, if I want to take these elements, if I hit the tab button, it will take all those numbers which are looking in a gray color. I hit the tab and now our list have elements from number 1 to number 10. So how can you be sure that this is a list? So we have one method that is called as a type method. By using type method, we can know what kind of a variable, what type of variable is that. So let's check what is the type of that our my list variable, and that is a list. So as you can see, we have created a list, but why we need a list? So there is a list is special because in a list we can store multiple types of data. In a single variable you can only store one type of data, but in a list you can store much more data, and the main thing is that you can access that data by using indexing. So that being said, let's make a list. Let's say you want to make a shopping list. So this is going to be interesting. Let's see what things we are going to add. Okay, we are going to create a shopping list. I thought so, there is 1p needed. Okay, so that's for shopping. We are going to put square brackets, and in those square brackets we are going to add up the things that we are going to shop. So you can also put in a comments that what kinds of things are on your wish list. So for me, the first thing that I want to buy, I am very excited to buy. I don't know how much I am going to use that thing, and that thing is Amazon's Kindle for reading. So this one is the first thing that I want for myself. Second thing, I want a Naruto t-shirt. I don't want Naruto, I want Naruto branding t-shirt with a Naruto sketch on it. Today itself I was looking for that. Even though we are not buying, mostly we are looking at things online, right? and probably I can buy a better camera, right? What do you think about the camera quality of this video? Let me know in the comment sections below. So let's say that we have 3 things to buy. There are many things, but for now let's go with the 3 things only. So we have these 3 things in our shopping list. It will be better for naming convention to write this way. Now you will understand in a better way. So this is our shopping list. How you can access these elements? So in Python, okay, in Python, indexing starts from 0. It does not start from 1. Let me show you. Here we go. Let me grab my pencil. So in Python, indexing starts from 0. So this Kindle string is at position 0. Okay, this Kindle is at position 0, and the Naruto t-shirt is at position 1, and the camera is at position 2, and it continues like that till n number of elements. You can add as many number of elements as you want. In case we want to add more elements to shopping list, let's say if I want to buy new glasses, new headphones, new mic, whatever as we need things. So this is our shopping list, and to get this to access element from this list, we can use indexing. How you can use indexing? Let's see. It's very easy. You just type down the name of your list, then you put square brackets and you put the position. As we have seen, our Naruto t-shirt, this is 0, this is 1. My handwriting is very good. 0, 1, 2. So Naruto t-shirt comes at first index. So let's see, we want to access that index. So let's see how we'll do. Now we are going to write here index 1, and let's run this cell. Now we are getting Naruto t-shirt at index 1. Isn't it good? You can access any element you want by using these indexing. So now you want to add to your list. Let's say you also want to buy some shoes of $80,000. So let's add shopping list, and to add element to our list we can use append method. Append, just name the add shoes. Let's say 80k shoes. Who wants 80k shoes? So let's see if we have successfully added 80k shoes to our list or not. Here you go, 80k shoes on our list, but we are never going to buy those. In 80k probably we can buy 80 shoes. That will be not even needed for one person to wear in his entire life, maybe. But people these days have a lot of shoes, right? For every occasion they have a different shoes. In-home shoes, outdoor shoes, whatever. So far we have seen how to add. Now let's say somebody else give you their list. Let's say you are going outside to buy those things. You are going outside to buy a Kindle, maybe not a Kindle. Let's say you are going outside to buy a Naruto t-shirt. Let's say grocery list. So your mom gives you grocery list and you have to buy milk from the shop. You also have to buy some tea powder. Let's make some tea, guys. Tea powder. Okay, powder. See, this is what AI does to your brain. We are very used to AI auto completion and we forgot so many things. Let's buy sugar also. Okay, so these are the necessary ingredients. We don't need to buy water. We will take that from the home. So our mom gives us this list and now we have to add this list into our shopping list also. So how will we do? Now we cannot use the append method here, right? We cannot use the append method. So instead we will use extend method, which will concatenate. It's really a hard word to pronounce, guys. Concatenate those both lists together and it will become just like a one list. So let me show you how it works. Now we are typing shopping list dot extend and we are going to extend it with our grocery list. Hit the tab. Good. So now let's try now let's do something to print here also, so I don't have to write too much code. Okay, so let's run. Oh, see, as you can see in our list, now we have a Kindle, Naruto t-shirt, camera, ATK shoes, milk, tea powder, sugar. So we have successfully added a grocery list to our shopping list. So that's how we add things. So let's say somebody calls you when you are coming home, also buy some snack with to eat with a tea, maybe buy a pack of biscuits, let's say, and somebody calls you and tells you, now you don't have to add, let's say after buying Naruto t-shirt you are going to first buy biscuits, then you will buy milk, tea powder, sugar. ATK shoes we are not going to buy. So I will tell you how we are going to remove that from our list, but for now let's say that we are going to buy our pack of biscuits after purchasing Naruto t-shirt. Okay, so let's see how we can insert an element between our list. To insert, what we have to use? We have to use insert. We don't have to use that much brain. Right? Python made very easy. Thank you, Python. So in list, here we are going to insert. So here we have to give a location. As I have told you how indexing start. Indexing start in a Python from 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 elements in our list and our Naruto t-shirt is at index 1 and we want to add our pack of biscuits at index here at index 2 we want to add. So how we are going to add? So let's see. So to insert, we have to insert at index and after we have to mention which value we want to insert at that index. So we want to buy some biscuits. Okay, we want to buy some biscuits and let's see how our list is modified. As you can see, guys, if I take this little bit up, that's it. At second position now, 0, 1. Let me clear the screen for you. At our third index, this is first one, this is second, and this is third. At our oh my god, I forgot what I told you. Our indexing starts from 0. Always remember, this is important. Our indexing starts from 0, 1, 2. So at location 2, at index 2, we have our biscuits element. Now the situation is you don't want to buy 80k shoes. What will you do? We can't afford 80k shoes, guys. So what we have to do, we have to delete this 80k shoes item from our list. So what we will do, we will use our pop method to delete that item at particular index, or we can also use remove also. So let's see what is the difference between both of them. First we will try with a pop, then we will try with a remove. So let's try with a pop, and whenever we are going to try remove any element from pop, we have to use indexing there. So let's see at which index we have our 80k shoes there. Here is like Kindle. Okay, Kindle is at first, second, third, fourth and fifth. Very important thing in Python, indexing starts from 0. Always remember that. I may forget that, but you have to remember. So here is that Kindle 0, Naruto t-shirt 1, biscuits 2, camera 3, that's 3, then 80k shoes 4. So now you are going to remember this thing, right? Shopping list. So our list starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and our 80k shoes at 4th index, and we want to remove this list, this very pricey shoes from our list. So what we will do to remove those? We are going to use pop. Let's see. Let's call our shopping list. We don't want to append, we want to pop. It's a funny name, by the way. It's like a popping. So at 4th index we want to remove. So after that, let's see. Let's print our shopping list. Oh, now you can see we don't have 80k shoes on our list. What a relief, guys. That was a good thing. And now we also don't want to buy a Kindle right now. It's not like you go outside and you buy a Kindle, right? That is also not that much cheap. That is a good investment though. Kindle, anyone who likes to read, it is really a nice device. I am not planning to buy a Kindle right now, but I am mostly seeing the reviews about Kindle on YouTube. Shopping list, and we want to remove. Now we are going to directly enter the name of the item we want to delete. Here we want to delete Kindle. So we have added Kindle in our list, and we have to use dot remove method. Okay, I will again write Kindle, delete, and then let's print how our list looks like. Here we go. Now by mentioning Kindle, we have removed Naruto Kindle from our list. And what will happen if we don't give anything in the pop method? What will happen? Let's see that. When we don't give any value inside, then it automatically removes the last element. When we are going to run this, it is going to remove sugar from our list. Let's see. It have removed sugar. Let's see what happens with the remove. Just a minute. Oh, right now we are getting name error. It is happening because we already deleted Kindle from our list. Now Python is not able to understand what is the Kindle, because it is not present in the list. Right now let's not give anything in our remove function. Let's see what it happens. Name hooping list. Hooping? Wow. Shopping. List remove takes exactly one argument, 0 given. So as you can here clearly see what is the difference between pop and what is the difference between remove. It is a good question, so you may have to answer this question in interview. So in a pop method, what it does, it removes last element from the list if value is not given. But what happens in the case of remove, it gives you type error, because remove function without any value we cannot use the remove function. And to remove element by using pop we use indexing, and when we want to remove when we want to delete any element from the list by using the name of that value, we use remove function. So in case of pop you are not going to get any error, but with remove you get type error. So that is the main difference. So these are the important things from the list. There are more things about the list, as you can see here. As you can see, there are haters will say my background is not real. So we can append, we can also clear the list. This what this will do, it will delete the entire list. Our list will be empty. So, and after that we have a copy method. What it does, it returns the copy of the list. So let's try that. Let's first copy our list, then delete. So right now we are going to make, just in case you are not going to lose your shopping list, you don't want to come with an empty hand to the house, right? So while we are going to make a copy of our list, let's say extra list, and we are going to make a copy of our shopping list. Copy, here we go. Then we want to print extra list. Let's see. Now our extra list have these elements, and we also have our shopping list. Now with the shopping list, let's try to clear this list entirely. Let's say we have made one copy of our list and we have an extra list, and we want to make another list from the scratch. Clear, here we go. Then give me now shopping list. Now it is giving us empty brackets. It means our list don't have any elements. But if you check what we have in our extra list, in our extra list we still have those elements. Isn't it amazing, guys? So just like that, we have seen extend, we have seen insert, we have seen pop, remove. So there are other methods like important methods like sort and count. What you can do with these methods, by using count method, you can count how many elements present in your list. So let's count for the extra list dot count takes exactly one element, argument 0 given. The way it is written is wrong, I guess. Count Okay, got it. It counts how many times a specific item is present in your list. So let's say you want to count how many times you have to buy milk. Here we go. You have to buy only one packet of milk. Let's say in case there are some relatives are coming, you need more milk to make a tea. So let's append our list with one more milk packet. Here we go. We're adding one more list milk object to our list. Okay, we are done. Now let's count how many times we have a milk. Now we have a 2 times milk present in our list. As you can see, the milk has been added 2 times to our list. So how was the video, guys? I hope you have learned something from the video. And if you liked about this video, then please share this video with your friends, with your not with the family members maybe, but you can share who wants to learn about coding, who wants to learn about Python. You can share this video with them and let me know how was your experience, what things you expect to learn about Python from here. And let's see the bright side, guys, and let's see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. See ya.